What's good, YouTube? It's your boy RockstarTrey, and today I'm about to twist my hair. You know what I'm saying? I got my hair blow dried, so these twists gonna be long. These gonna be the longest twists ever, I swear, you feel me? These twists about to be crazy, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and start twisting my hair up. And I might let these twists lock up into dreads. I'm thinking about it. I'm not sure yet, you feel me? Because I want to start my own dreads if I do get dreads. And I want to start them with 2-strand twists, I ain't gonna lie. So, you feel me? So, you know what I'm saying? These twists gonna be crazy, so I'ma catch y'all when we almost done, you feel me? Alright, YouTube, so I'm almost done with my head. I'm at the top. I just got the top left. I did the back and all that. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got done. Show y'all the back. You feel me? I'm moving awkward right now, I know, but I'm just trying to get this angle for y'all. You feel me? So you feel me? This is what my hair look like. Back. You know what I'm saying? Pretty long, you know what I'm saying? If you wondering like
how I get my 2-strand twist so long.
One, my hair is already long, but I have a technique, I have a secret method.
You know, I have a video on my channel already talking about this method. So like, if you haven't even checked that out, I don't know what you doing. But that's cool though, because I'm gonna do one in the front for y'all real quick, so y'all can see how I do get my twist this long without the shrinkage. Cause if everybody know 2-strand twists shrink up, but look at mine, you feel me? One, you're gonna have to have your hair blow dried out pretty good, you feel me? You see how my hair is kind of like it's basically straight. You wanna make sure your hair is blow dried. And this product, you know what I'm saying? The secret sauce, the best product I have ever owned in my life, the best thing to ever touch earth, the best this is secret sauce, you know what I'm saying? Without this product, my hair would never be I would never be able to achieve this look, you feel me? So, and this ain't sponsored, these niggas don't pay me or nothing. I just like they product so much. If you want your hair to look like mine, you gotta get this product. So yeah, it would be cool if they did sponsor me, you know what I'm saying? Cause, hey, so I'm gonna do one. I'm gonna show y'all what one would look like. And then, cause I'm gonna kind of part that down the middle right there. But I don't want no middle part, you feel me? So I was in the bathroom doing this, but it's cool. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna start on this side. So I'm gonna take some hair. I like my twist skinny and long, you feel me? I'm a pretty skinny and long type of guy, so it's only right to get the twist skinny and long. Take the section you want, you know what I'm saying? Get your hair that you're gonna twist. Make sure it's nice and blow dried, you feel me? Make sure your hair is not wet. If your hair is wet, you're gonna have shrinkage. If you put any water-based product in your hair, you're gonna have shrinkage, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not saying you got to have your hair dry, but before you do this, your hair needs to be completely dry. That's why you gotta blow dry your hair. It's gonna be dry. And that's why this product it's a wax. It's not water-based. Water-based, if you're gonna use water-based products, you might as well forget blow drying your hair. But nah. You can still use water-based products if you blow dry your hair, but water-based products cause shrinkage. So yeah, you just take some, put it on your hair, get it through there, and just follow me, you know what I'm saying? It's simple. 2-strand twist is simple, so just look at what I'm doing and follow me. Split it down the middle so it's even. And then just keep twisting it and cross it over.
Yo, this shit crazy.
Then once you get to the end, you know, just curl it with your finger. And just like that. A long 2-strand twist, you feel me? Like I said, I like mine skinny, so. And yeah, it will probably shrink up like 2 centimeters, but we ain't worried about 2 centimeters. When you walking around out here, no girl worry about 2 centimeters, you know what I'm saying? They worry about bigger and better things. They on to inches, you know what I'm saying? As long as you ain't got inches of shrinkage, you straight, you feel me? A couple centimeters is cool, you feel me? But look, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my head, and I'm gonna show y'all the end result. And this, watch it, this twist still gonna be the same length, watch, I promise y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when the product is finished. All right, y'all, I got my hair finished, you know what I'm saying? It's nice and twisted up, got it do-ragged up. Not gonna lie, I slept with the bonnet on, but I ended up putting the do-rag on when I waked up, so, or when I woke up, my bad. But yeah, y'all see we got the length, you feel me? Let me see if I can get y'all a back angle, cause that's done long, bruh, with 2-strand twists. And my hoodie is probably blocking it off a little bit, but it's long as hell. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? 2-strand twist with no shrinkage. You know what I'm saying? My hair already dry. My hair's already shrunk up, you know? I slept overnight and I came back to y'all the next day. It's been, shoot, I woke up hours ago, to be honest with you. But this what the hair looking like. And this what it's looking like, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Long 2-strand twist. And I had to pop out with the 2-strand twist, the long ones, one more time for y'all, because I feel like y'all was underestimating me, you know what I'm saying? Because the last time I got my hair twisted, the girl didn't blow dry my hair. But this time, I did my own hair, my own blow dry, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, every time I do my own hair, it always come out really long, you know what I'm saying? So, and y'all like that, so I had to do it one more time for y'all. And so, yeah, I'll take the do-rag off, show y'all some hairstyles I will rock with this hoe and shit, you feel me? One hairstyle, I'm gonna show y'all the hairstyle, you know what I'm saying, how I'm gonna rock it. Take the hair like this. Put it to that bun. This right here, don't mind this one twist. Like I said, I had my bonnet on all night, so this one was in an awkward position and it ended up bending a little bit, but we'll get that mug straight. So this is the hairstyle. I don't got a haircut. I should have cut my hair for y'all, but I'm gonna cut my hair for the next video for sure, because I got something special. But this is the hairstyle. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have a certain amount of hair to do this, a certain length of hair to do this, man. This, to me, this is the best way to rock your twist or your, like, I don't know why I like this style, but I like this style. But nah, it's definitely a lot of other ways you can rock them, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know what it is. This is just the one that I like, you know? Or you could just rock it all the way back. Something cool, you know what I'm saying? But hey, man, I got the best 2-strand twist on YouTube. I appreciate everybody who tuned into this video, who watched, who liked, who subscribed, who comment. I appreciate all my supporters. And let me know if y'all like the twist, man. Let me know if y'all like the twist. I spent a lot of hours doing my hair to make this video, so make sure y'all like this video, man. This took me 2 days to do my hair, man. 2 days to do my hair. So run them likes up and all of that, man. You know what I'm saying? Cause who giving y'all the 2-strand twist tutorials like this? You know what I'm saying? Who doing that? Everybody who giving y'all the 2-strand twist tutorials is setting y'all up. They telling y'all, they giving y'all these little worms, bro. That's why everybody walking around with worms, bro. You gotta envision the longness to get the longness. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm out. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. And that's it, gang.